What's up guys, welcome to the video. So when it comes to doing YouTube automation, you can do one of two things. You can do a browse based channel or you can do a search based channel. On this specific channel I mainly talk about search based because that's the one that I decided to choose when it came to YouTube automation, is going the search based route. And a lot of the rules that apply to browse based YouTube do not apply to search-based YouTube. So let's just dive straight into it right now. So as you can see on the screen right now, you can go down two different paths, browse or search, and there's various different things that go into each one of them. And one of them, as you can see, all the browse-based topics will be in purple and all the search-based will be in green. So as you can see right here, with a search browse-based channel, you will have to build an audience. Okay, when it comes to uploading on a browse-based channel, you have to pick your niche, you have to stick to one particular niche, and you build your audience in that specific niche so they come to expect your videos. And every time you upload a video, they're first going to get pushed to your subscribers, and then they're going to get pushed out further into the algorithm to go viral essentially. So that's what you're going to be doing with browse based. Now with search based YouTube, that doesn't apply. You're not building an audience. You could have 100,000 subscribers on your search based YouTube channel and you post a video and it gets 5 views in the first day, but we're not going after those initial views from subscribers and then getting pushed into the algorithm. What we want is to just post a whole bunch of videos on our search based channel, let them rank in the search results over time. It could take 3 to 6 months for the video to actually rank in the search results, and then the snowball effect takes over and then the views come. So we're not building for a specific audience, we're just playing the long game and we're waiting for the videos to rank in search. And with browse based, you have to pick one single topic. So you could be in the investing niche, you could be in the health niche, and then you have to stick to that one specific topic on your YouTube channel. Otherwise your subscribers aren't going to watch your videos, you're not going to get pushed into the algorithm, your watch time's going to go down drastically, and it's just not going to be able to grow your channel. But with a search based channel, you can post pretty much anything that you want on your search based channel, as long as it's search based. So you cover a wide range of topics. So you could cover all the social media apps, you could do reviews of different products, you could do how to do various different things in your house, you could do Windows tutorials, iPhone tutorials, Android tutorials, and they're all going to be on your channel. And that doesn't matter, because when we're publishing a video, the subscribers aren't going to watch the video anyway. We're not even pushing the video to our subscribers on the back end when we upload the specific video. So we can cover any topic we want, and that gives us a broad range of topics that we can cover on our channel, and we can still get millions and millions of views that way, because the game with search based is to rank in search, and with the game of browse based, you want to please your audience first, then you get pushed into the algorithm if you get good signals from the video itself, from your initial audience, and then you get pushed. But with search based, we're playing a completely different game, which is why I like search based. And then another thing to keep in mind with browse based YouTube is that you have to do heavily edited videos. So think of channels like Magnates Media or Jake Tran. Those are typical browse-based YouTube automation channels, and they're heavily edited, and this can cost quite a bit. It could cost you $50 all the way up to $1,000 per video just to get it edited onto your channel. So if you're not bringing in millions of views from your browse-based channel and you're not getting sponsorships and brand deals, and then it's going to be pretty hard to keep up with the budget required to be able to sustain your browse-based channel. But with a search-based channel, you do minimal to no editing. So there's pretty much no editing in a browse-based video. In a search-based video, it's going to be like a simple screen recording or a simple phone recording. You put that onto CapCut, you edit out all the mistakes, and then that's good to publish. It costs you nothing, or if you're outsourcing, it can cost you $2 to $3 per video to go ahead and get that outsourced. And then with browse based, you're looking for explosive growth, and with search based, it's more slow, consistent growth over time. So with a browse based channel, you could post 5 videos, and then your 6th video hits the algorithm really nicely, gets a few million views, and then you're essentially going to get your initial growth on your channel. But with search based, you just upload, and it's like 1 month goes by, 2 months goes by, 3 months goes by, and you slowly grow over time. So with browse based, the curve's going to be like slow and steady like that, and then just boom, you're going to blow up. With search based, it's just going to be like slow, consistent growth over time. And that's what I like about search based. It's sustainable, it's long term, and you can really count on the revenue from your search based channel. So when starting your new channel, you have to decide whether you want to chase viral videos and try to come up with the best, most unique content every time, because you have to be unique with browse. You can't just copy other channels, because YouTube's going to know, they're going to suppress your video. Or simply you could follow a simple keyword research formula, which I cover in my channel and in my free school community. You can get it in the link in the description. That is guaranteed to spit out winning ideas. So the keyword formula spits out winning ideas, and then you just execute on these ideas every single day. Build a search-based channel in pretty much any niche that you are wanting to build a search-based channel in. I will be covering much more niches as the videos go on throughout the weeks. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos. And now another thing with browse-based YouTube is that you're going to need a high budget. So you might need $1,000 to get all your videos created for the month. So like 30 videos for the month may cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. And with search based, you can pretty much create a video for $3 per video. So you need a much less video budget when it comes to search based, 500, 700, 1,000, as opposed to 1,000 to 3,000 for browse based. So the barrier to entry with browse based is much higher, and with search based you can get pretty much started with low budget. Now keep in mind that browse based YouTube automation has a bigger barrier to entry, because you need higher skills with editing and hire freelancers who can edit. You need to pick winning topics, you need to have a bigger budget. So higher barrier to entry. So if you find a winning niche and decide to do it, then you could only have a handful of competitors. Okay, so that is actually a good thing. But with search based YouTube automation, the barrier to entry is very low, so there's a lot more competition, and also growth is slower. But if you're willing to play the long game, get consistent growth over time, search based is going to be for you. But if you stick to the fundamentals, then you will win in the long term. So browse based is more short term. So what a lot of people do is they build a browse based channel to like 300, 400,000 subscribers, then they sell the channel and exit the channel, then start a new one, get it to 1 million subscribers, sell the channel, and build up capital that way. But with search based, you can run a search based channel for 15 plus years and get millions of views every single month, brand deals, sponsorships, and everything like that, and build a solid business with just one single channel. Okay. And then another thing with browse based is you got to post daily or weekly, otherwise you're going to notice your views just going to plummet, because with browse based they get pushed into the algorithm, and if you're not feeding the algorithm on your channel with new content, okay, the video is just going to your views are just going to tank. And with search based, you can take a few weeks off and your views will stay the same. So if I'm getting like 1 million views per month on my channel, and then I take 3 weeks off, when I come back I'm still going to be getting 1 million views per month on my channel. And then with browse based, you need high quality thumbnails. These can also be expensive, $50 to $100 per thumbnail. And then with search based, you pretty much use a thumbnail template. You just plug in your different text, you plug in your icons, and then you have a search based thumbnail. So those are the rules that apply to browse based, and these are the rules that apply to search based. Okay, very different ball games when it comes to doing YouTube automation. Drop a comment down below which one you like the best, and if you want more help on this sorts of thing and doing search based YouTube, go ahead, click the first link in the description of my video to go ahead and join my free school community, where you can get more tips and join a community of like-minded YouTubers. Like the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.